Hey peeps, it's me, Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So I just want to make a little quick video. I have been missing journaling like I used to. And so I decided that I wanted to go back. See, the problem with me is I like to put all the things in my creative journal. And the journal that I was using before is it was just limiting. Like all I could really do is write. I couldn't add like bulky stuff. And I like to add all the things in my journal. So I had made this journal. I don't even know when I made it, but I think I shared it. I'm pretty sure I shared it. So I hadn't journaled a lot in it. So I kind of took it apart and and added some fall papers because I'm going to be journaling in here for the fall. There's 3 signatures in here, and yeah, they're pretty crooked. That's just how I do things. Always crooked. So I showed this before, so I just kind of added some fall papers in it. Some of the things that was in here before I kept in here, like some of the book pages like this I had in here. So just random papers um, in here that I probably put way too much because I don't journal every day. So it's probably way more. I love this book page. It reminds me of me and my brother. Um, yeah, I love that page. So anyway, yeah, so just random book pages and scrapbook paper and all that kind of stuff in here. I got my Amazon Prime grocery paper bag in here. So all kinds of stuff. You get the idea. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some journaling, I think, on camera. And I just wanted to I love this cookbook. I love, this is my favorite part of this cookbook. The illustrations like this. I love this cookbook so much. Um, Something about it. Anyway, so what was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. I have no idea. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some journaling in here, and just wanted to show you just a quick flip through of what's in here. And I wanted to share. It has a big pocket. I got this from my pen pal. She made these tapes, and so I wanted to make sure I used them. And she put them on this uh, Illustrated Faith devotional, I think it is. So in here, I just have a bunch of stuff. I love this idea. I found this tutorial from, so I have a bunch of stuff in here. Bunch of stuff. Um, the 49 dragonflies, I think. If I can find the tutorial, I'm pretty sure I can find it. I will link it down below, but it's made out of an Amazon envelope, the packaging, and I didn't have any more, so I decided to just reconstruct and recycle the one that I already made. So I think it's still fall colors because they're dark, beautiful colors. Anyway, so I wanted to share this from Never Hopeless by Elizabeth. Not that she needs me to share anything. Her channel is much bigger than mine, but thought I would share anyway. This is the first time I've ever printed out her printables. So she had the little months that she does this by hand, which I think is crazy. I can never do this. I can't make them look all the same. So it's amazing that she can do that. And so straight, like I couldn't do that. Anyway, and so then I printed out these 2, which is just fall words, which I thought was super cute. Oh, and then these I did myself on, I don't know if I did these on Canva or not, but I did this so I can keep track of the food that I make for Brooklyn. So that's what I'll be using these for. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show that and get back to doing all the journaling that I miss doing and using all the things. Like I said, I probably made this way bigger than I needed to, but it's okay. It's fun. You know, I'll probably add on like some decorations on the short pages. I could have extended the pages too, but you know, whatever. It's not a big deal. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, and hopefully you guys will enjoy me working in it. Um, I really do miss. Look how cute! This is a book that I got from Katie's sale, Katie Tribe of Five, a while ago. I don't even know if I shared the goodies that I got from her. I don't even remember. I put it away, so I don't remember if I shared it. But how cute is this little doggy? Anyway, so that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you that really quickly. I don't know why sometimes it's difficult for me to finish a journal when I do December daily. I finish it. I there's not there. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe because Christmas is my favorite, so maybe that's what it is. I don't know, but I'm going to really try my best to get back to journaling like I used to because I really do miss it. So that's it. I'm going to link Never Hopeless by Elizabeth down in the description box as well. I'll just link her last video so then you can go in her description box and get it if you want. They're free, by the way. I don't know if I said that. So anyway, give her some credit, show her some love. If you don't know who she is, she's amazing. And yeah, that's it. So have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, bye.